Good Wednesday evening, meteorologist Jordan Young with you. I'm tracking a quick moving system that's expected to bring some snow to the Carolinas tomorrow and into your Friday. Winter weather advisories have already been issued. Those are in the purple shading for much of the Carolinas, when a winter storm watch has actually been issued for eastern sections of North Carolina ahead of this system. Now, how's this system going to exactly come together? Well, there's a front stalled along the Gulf of Mexico, and a piece of upper level energy is diving through the middle of the country. When that energy interacts with the front, that's going to allow an area of low pressure to develop, pushing moisture up in towards the Carolinas. And as we move through the afternoon hours, that's whenever some of the best moistures begin to really push in. You're seeing some snow in the mountains and in the foothills and in the Piedmont, North Carolina. That continues on into Friday morning, but then by the mid-morning hours, that system's pulling away, and we're starting to dry things out across the area as high pressure builds in. So what exactly is the timing of this? So we're going to look at the NAM computer model. This is at 7 a.m. on Thursday morning, and notice there's already a few light snow showers possible in the mountains, but most areas will be dry for your morning commute, and there should not be any issues. But as we get to around the lunch hour, this is lunchtime, notice that there are some showers beginning to move in, but across the mountains and foothills, the changeover has already happened to snow. Now, mountain locations are expected to remain snow through the majority of the event. It's outside the mountains. It will start as rain before changing over to snow. That includes Charlotte and Raleigh areas, but eventually that rain snow line is expected to progress further to the south as that area of low pressure pushes farther to the east, allowing a changeover. This is your evening commute, and it could be messy at 5 o'clock. Look at the amount of snow stretching all the way from the Hickory, Winston-Salem, Charlotte, Raleigh, Durham areas. There's going to be some snow around, and that could cause some travel issues. The shining light, if you will, at the moment is that the temperatures will be slightly above freezing while this is going on. So it will be difficult for the snow to stick. As a matter of fact, many road temperatures right now are 40 to 50 degrees. So it will be difficult, but anytime that snow is coming down at a good clip, it will stick to the roads. So let's flip over and let's look at the expected snow totals. And right now I'm expecting most areas across the Carolinas to see around 1 inch to 3 inches of snow. That's going to be predominantly on grassy surfaces and elevated surfaces. As I said, that snow falls with that temperature slightly above freezing. There will be a lot of melting from this snow. 2 to 4 inches in the mountains where it's a little bit cooler, and then down east. Notice that little bullseye, 2 to 4 inches just east of Raleigh in that area. What will be going on there is that's the best moisture content for the system. This area is expected to see the best moisture coupled with the best temperatures, and they may see a little bit more snow than the rest of us see, around 2 to 4. I wouldn't be shocked if a couple areas maybe receive just a little bit more where that banding occurs, but in general 2 to 4 is expected. I will continue to keep you updated on this system, and will post updates on my Facebook page, WX Jordan, and online at wxcarolina.com. And I will be posting another forecast map in the morning hours. It'll be my final forecast. But this right now is what I was thinking earlier this afternoon, and so far nothing has really changed in the overall progression of the system. So this is still what I'm thinking. 2 to 4 inches mountains, 1 to 3 inches for a majority of everyone else, and then 2 to 4 inches down along parts of eastern North Carolina near the coast. Thank you. I'm meteorologist Jordan Young.